peeper? I miss Miss Shepherd. Wish we could make a video together.
Stop wishing I'm here.
Psych, boy.
Psych, yo, Barry.
She's back. She's not back to work here, but you know, she back for the time being.
Yeah.
And guess what? We matched today, guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm already her height standing, so it's okay. Y'all see me. She miss me.
All right. First Jamaican word of the day is, well, American word. But I can't hear you. Hold on, can I practice?
Go on.
Or like guess? Me can't hear you.
Yo.
Yo. Me can't hear you.
Me can't hear you. Like say hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Me
Yeah.
can't hear you.
Me can't hear you.
Me can't hear you.
Can't.
Hello?
Hello.
Me can't hear. Me can't hear you.
Good. Alright, me can't hear good out of the ears, yeah.
Me can't hear good out of the years, y'all.
Ears. Me can't hear good out of the ears, yeah.
Oh, that's guys, not years.
Ears.
Ears.
Yeah. Say how I say I can't hear good out of this ear.
You know good and well I can't hear good out of this ear.
Me can't hear good out of the ears, yeah.
Me can't hear good out of the ears, yeah. Good.
I'll take that.